Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making your PC discoverable so other devices can see media. This matters because streaming depends on network visibility. Open Settings or Control Panel, confirm the network is set to private, then go to Network and Sharing Center. Once there, choose Change Advanced Sharing Settings and turn on Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing for private. Make sure to save changes. This step prepares Windows to accept media connections and prevents common blocked device problems later. Now you enable the actual media server built into Windows. In Control Panel, navigate to Network and Internet, then Media Streaming options. Click Turn on Media Streaming. You'll see a simple media library name. Pick something recognizable. You can then review discovered devices on your network and allow or block each one. Make sure the device you want to stream to is allowed and permissions are set to play. Once done, Windows will start advertising your media to the allowed devices immediately. Finish by testing playback from the target device. Open Windows Media Player, find your library under the Play to or Stream option, and start streaming. If streaming fails, restart the Windows Media Player network sharing service and retry. Also make sure Windows Firewall allows media streaming or set an exception for the service. If the device still can't see your PC, verify both devices are on the same private network and that you allowed that specific device in media streaming options. This usually resolves the last mile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.